2010.
How weird is this? I'm listening to the sound check of James Blunt in an empty LG Arena. Nobody here. But they're practicing ready for Live 2010, which is rolling into town in approximately 2 hours time, really. But that's what's going on right now. Sound checks all the way, baby. For the last half an hour, I've been hearing sound engineers go 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 2. You probably can't see me, it's well dark up here. I've come to the very back, but I'm going to keep you posted. Hopefully earwigging on everybody else's sound check as well. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Live 2010.
Live 2010.